So today what we are going to talk about is the victim mindset. Why am I recording a video about victim mindset? Simply because abhi recently something happened. So I have seen this quite a lot and I also came across this realization through a lot of emotional work, ये सारी चीजों से. I've come across this realization about what a victim mindset actually is. So in this video we are going to delve right deep into it कि भाई how does a victim mindset really operate और क्या चीजें victim mindset के अंदर आती है, and you'll actually be surprised कि victim mindset is actually very deep, much deeper than you might actually think. So this is something that I noticed a lot of places कि there are a lot of guys who reach out to me and they're like निशान मेरे को इस problem का solution चाहिए. But when I ask them something and everything, mostly these guys usually ask me questions on a group. फिर they ask their question थोड़ा सा vague रखते हैं वो. And when I tell them कि भाई ये दिक्कत है, तब they're like, hey bro, I will DM you. And I'm expecting it, ठीक है भाई मेरे को DM करेंगे. Maybe they'll ask for coaching. But almost every time what happens is कि they do not ask for coaching. And what they end up doing is कि they DM and then they ask their problem एकदम detail में personally. And I'm like कि भाई I cannot really answer our personal text. Why don't you just ask this question on group? This is a pretty good question. I'll answer it on the group. Why don't you ask it on the group? Almost every time, like I would say almost 100% of the times, those guys never ask it on the group. And मैं बहुत ही इस चीज पे curious हुआ कि why do these guys do it? ठीक है? I asked them कि भाई why do you do it? And almost always the answer that they give is like a very pissed answer, एक बहुत ही ज्यादा गुस्से वाला आंसर कि अरे ब्रो तुमने बता ही दिया था कि मेरे समझ में नहीं आएगा, तो मैंने कहा क्या ही फायदा. या फिर देयर लाइक कि भाई मुझे ऐसा लगा कि भाई इसको पूछ करके फायदा ही क्या है, बिकॉज ये बड़ा स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन है. एंड मैंने ये चीज पे बहुत सोचा एंड आई रियलाइज यार असली तो पता है क्या, दिस इज नथिंग बट विक्टिम माइंडसेट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज ना, पीपल ऑलवेज थिंक देयर प्रॉब्लम टू बी एक्सेप्शनली यूनिक. दे आर लाइक मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसी प्रॉब्लम और किसी की भी नहीं है. एंड व्हाट दे एंड अप डूइंग इज कि भाई अपनी प्रॉब्लम को यूनिक मानते मानते दे ऑल्सो बिलीव कि भाई their problem will not be solved by anyone else. ठीक है? And it's almost like कि भाई it's a personal flaw. It's me who's problematic. They never realize कि their problem is actually separate from them. They don't see the problem and themselves as separate beings. They're like मैं ही problem हूँ, right? And when it becomes an identity कि भाई मेरे साथ problem है, it's not a trait that I have that can be changed. It's me who's problematic. जब उनको ऐसा लगता है तो what ends up happening is उनका पर्सपेक्टिव पूरा चेंज हो जाता है. And now they believe that the problem is them, which means in other words, if anyone tells them there is a solution, they won't believe it. Because basically that solution ends up being something that will change them to the core. या कह लो कि basically मेरी identity खत्म हो जाएगी क्योंकि I am that problem, right? Which means कि भाई for those people to get an answer is just impossible. They just don't want an answer because as soon as they get an answer, it's like a question on their identity itself because they believe themselves to be the problem, right? And this happens a lot of times, sir. A lot of people are like कि भाई मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम है, and जब तुम उनको बोलते हो ये कर, क्या अरे भाई मैं ऐसे नहीं कर सकता, ऐसे कैसे कर दूं, अच्छा मैं ये चेंज कर दूं, so they get very aggressive about it because again they identify the problem as themselves. They don't see the problem as like we can say a circumstance or a problem that they're facing. They rather see it as कि भाई मेरे साथ ही दिक्कत है, I am the problem, right? So this is kind of one aspect to it.
Hey guys, hope you are absolutely enjoying the video. But if you want to finally work on this कि भाई मुझे ये चीज permanently fix करनी है, all you have to do is just click the link below, fill the form. मेरी टीम तुम्हें खुद reach out करेगी and we will tell you exactly how to fix your dating life once and for all. With that, back to the video.
To continue on that note, कई बार क्या होता है कि people they see the problem very differently, right? As an example, a very common again and you can say an example of victim mindset is sometimes when people just blame the circumstances a lot. This thing also is pretty common. You would be surprised कि how common this is, and people just don't label it as a victim mindset. They're like नहीं यार ये तो real problem है, नहीं यार this is an actual issue. A very common example being यार some people are like कि निशांत मैं इस city में रह रहा हूँ, right? Like there was a guy who was living in Chandigarh. He was like कि निशांत यार दिल्ली में आता हूँ मैं, आप जब इनफील्ड देते हो वो सब दिल्ली में होता है, right? This is one of my clients. He was like यार आप आते हो वो सब होता है, वो सब तो दिल्ली में होता है, right? Delhi is very different, but my city on the other hand is like very different, and this happens with a lot of people who are in south as well. कि भाई दिल्ली में तो ऐसा हो सकता है, but I'm in south, I'm in this city, I'm in this place. वहां पे उनके लिए पता है क्या चीज होती है? They don't realize the thing कि यार जो भी है that is still your problem. It's not something which you can really change in that instant. Because अगर मैं सवाल पूछूं भाई ठीक है तुम उस सिटी में रह रहे हो, can you really change this city instantly? Like अगले 10 दिनों में, अगले 1 महीने में, अगले 3 महीने में, can you change the city? The answer almost always is no. If the answer is no, just think about it भाई, why are you fucking talking about it even, right? This is nothing but victim mindset again because you are seeing कि यार मेरी situation खराब है यार, तुम्हें नहीं पता मेरी situation. Most of the times, if not always, the person who's basically in the victim mindset, they are actually not really looking for a solution but looking for sympathy, like real sympathy कि भाई मेरे साथ बुरा फील करो यार, मेरे को कितना बुरा फील हो रहा है, मेरी बात समझो, मेरे में दिक्कत नहीं है, मेरी गलती नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट अ विक्टिम टू द सर्कमस्टेंस. एंड दे डोंट रिएक्ट लाइक दे genuinely might want to change because at times like people are very self aware as well. Some people actually want to change. But with some other people, yeah, it's almost like they just don't want to change. What they want is just sympathy from some person, someone to just say कि हाँ यार मैं समझ सकता हूँ, तेरी गलती नहीं है, ये सब वो सब. And if you realize that doesn't really help anyone, ठीक है? Because उनकी problem फिर भी fix नहीं हुई है. They still have the same problem, right? उनकी city same है. Maybe there are not enough girls in that city. Maybe they don't have a friend circle in that city. The problem still remains the same. But again, victims don't realize it because when they are in that victim identity for that second, when the victim identity hints, तो उनको ऐसा फील होता है कि यार क्या करूं, मेरी क्या गलती है इसमें, because मेरी तो circumstance ही है. And then they need to realize यार कि if they cannot change some circumstance ना, they need to fully accept it. They need to be like कि भाई ठीक है, यही मेरे circumstance है, this is my battleground, this is where I have to fight. Rather than being like नहीं नहीं यार, अगर ये यहाँ पे होता तो कितना बेटर होता, वहां पे होता तो कितना बेटर होता, यहाँ पे हूं मैं इसलिए नहीं कर सकता. That is the second part of it, which is also very important, which kind of puts people in because of their circumstances, because of their places, because of maybe their height, weight, कि भाई मेरी हाइट छोटी है नहीं तो मैं कर लेता. ठीक है भाई, अभी भी तुम्हारी हाइट छोटी है, ठीक है, अब तुम नहीं कर पाए. What do you do now? There is no answer, right? Even if your height is small, even if you're fucking fat, कुछ भी दिक्कत है भाई, even if you're fucking bald, कुछ भी दिक्कत है, the problem still remains. There is no solution still. You haven't solved the problem yet. So to solve the problem, you will have to work on it. There is no solution to it. There is no answer. Just feeling bad about it doesn't really solve anything. That just gets you sympathy for a second. Might feel good for a second, but that doesn't really solve the problem at all. Now to the final part of the video, because I have told you what victim mindset is. Now you'd want to know how do you really get out of the victim mindset, or how do you ensure that you don't fall into it in the first place. This is indeed one of the most important things, right? Because you will realize in most of your journey ना, because you are someone who had to work to learn this skill set, right? You are someone जिसको कि ये चीज़ manually सीखनी पड़ी है compared to all the other guys. Some good looking guys, some guys who have had success with women at an early age. Compared to them, you have to really learn the skill set. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. Mood खराब होता है यार. Maybe there are times when girls just say shit to you. Maybe there are guys who make fun of you. ये सारी की सारी situations face होती हैं. इस सब के बाद like again, you may be doing your office work. ये सारी चीजें हैं. It's so much stressful. You still have to keep doing it. ठीक है? So you might at times feel very bad about yourself. You might feel कि भाई चीजें खराब जा रही हैं या फिर अच्छी नहीं जा रही या फिर why is it only me that has to suffer? What if I don't even do this thing at all? Game ना करूँ तो भी तो ठीक है. तो वो सारी की सारी चीजें आएंगी, राइट? एंड फॉर दैट बेसिकली यूड वांट टू नो कि भाई विक्टिम माइंडसेट से कैसे बाहर निकले. तो आई टेल यू यार, सबसे पहली चीज तो गाइस तुम्हें याद रखने की, एज आई सेड, वी हैव आवर सर्कमस्टेंसेस, वी हैव आवर सिचुएशंस, वी हैव व्हाट वी हैव. ठीक है, अगर हमारी हाइट कम है, ठीक है, कम है. अगर हमारा वेट ज्यादा है, अगर हमारे लाइक यू नो हमारे फाइनेंसेस उतने अच्छे नहीं है, दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू एनीवेज हैव द वे दे आर. ठीक है, एंड वर्क ऑन देम, लाइक डेफिनेटली वर्क ऑन देम. आई एम नॉट समवन हु सेज कि उन पे काम मत करो, बट यू नीड टू रियलाइज गाइज, a lot of people are just working on these things to run away from the main thing. That is कि भाई I'm not able to communicate with people well. ठीक है, तो give you an example, when I was young, तब मुझे लगता था यार कि अगर मेरे पास कपड़े अच्छे होते, मेरी जॉब अच्छी होती, अगर मैं like I would be one of the cool kids, you know, going to a fucking good company, earning a lot of money, and ये सारे मेरे finances होते, मेरे पास फोन अच्छा होता, तो फिर मेरे साथ कितनी अच्छी dating life होती. And I'll tell you, there was a point in my life where I had all of this, and I still didn't have a good dating life, and it felt very 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 bad. ठीक है, एक चीज और, a lot of guys who say कि भाई यार ये सारी चीजें तो फिर भी हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा, कई बंदे हाइट क्लियर होते हैं, कई बंदे कहते हैं मैं इस सिटी में नहीं हूँ, ये सब वो सब. तुम्हारे पास ये सारे एक्सक्यूजेस सिर्फ तब तक हैं जब तक यू आर नॉट इन द बेस्ट सर्कमस्टेंस, यू डोंट हैव द परफेक्ट हाइट, यू आर नॉट इन द परफेक्ट सिटी. जैसे ही तुम वहां पे आ जाते हो ना, एंड यू सी दैट नथिंग इज वर्किंग आउट, स्टिल लाइफ एग्जैक्टली सेम है, then you realize कि it has nothing to do with your as I said, your job, with your fucking height, with your city. None of that shit matters. At the end, what really matters is भाई, what are you? कहाँ से आए हो तुम? What is the material that you are really made up of? How are you from the inside? What's your inner game like? कितने strong हो तुम mentally? Can you really sustain all of this pain, all of this journey and all of that, right? So at the end, भाई, this is the message that I have for you. Be very very accountable, be very very, I would say, in control, and be very very responsible for your actions and the situations that you are in. Because कई बार ऐसा होता है कि भाई people just blame all the other things in the environment, everything that they can see or hear, या फिर other people or something, but they never blame themselves or they never really take accountability for what they have. ठीक है, you have only one person that you can hold accountable, and that is you yourself. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हारा वेट ज्यादा है भाई, fucking go to the gym, reduce it यार. Like मतलब this is not a trait, this is not a character trait. ठीक है, if तुम्हारी हाइट छोटी ऑब्वियसली तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बट अगर समझ लो तुम्हारे पास कपड़े खराब है, लाइक फकिंग ट्राई टू लर्न फैशन. अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं है भाई, मे बी वर्क हार्ड, ट्राई टू फकिंग फाइंड अ जॉब, ट्राई टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस, डू समथिंग. Point being, 90% of the things that you want that can be fixed. ठीक है। अब इस पे कोई बंदा एक पक्का मेरे को मिलेगा जो यूट्यूब पे कहेगा भाई कि अरे भाई सब कुछ खेल हाइट वाइट का है, ठीक है। पॉइंट बीइंग, जो चीजें तुम नहीं करेक्ट कर सकते ब्रो वो तो नहीं करेक्ट कर सकते, बट लाइक कब तक तुम उस चीज को ब्लेम करोगे? व्हाई नॉट यू गेट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ व्हाट इज पॉसिबल? एक्सट्रीम ओनरशिप इज द मेन थिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द डे भाई। दिस इज द मैसेज दैट आई हैव फॉर यू। Regardless of what happens in life, चाहे तुम्हारी कोई भी सिचुएशन है, कोई भी सर्कमस्टेंस है, यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी एट द कोर कि तुम्हें मेनली चाहिए कि भाई हर चीज के लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूं। आई एम द पर्सन हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग टू मी, राइट? एंड यू डोंट ब्लेम द सर्कमस्टेंसेस, यू डोंट गिव पावर टू एनी ऑफ दीज एक्सटर्नल सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सिचुएशंस और अदर थिंग्स। यू बी लाइक मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, आई एम द वन हु इज डूइंग इट, राइट? एंड आई एम द वन हु इज गोना, इफ आई एम गेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स, आई एम द वन हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, जिससे कि यू एक्चुअली लर्न द स्किल सेट, राइट? And I'll tell you guys, there are countless stories. Like I have had clients जो कि like to give you an example, there was this guy, 36-year-old बंदा भाई, like you know, great job bro, बंदा बहुत मेहनत करी है MNC में, like you know, earning good money, but dating life was shit, went for arranged marriage, couldn't get married, right? फिर he came to me, he was like, Nishan, मैं 36-year-old हूँ, I don't think anything will work, and he was very hesitant in getting coached from me. When we started coaching, भाई starting में hesitation थी, now he's going on dates, he's with a lot of girls and everything. Point being, भाई, he had no hope either, right? बट प्रॉब्लम वही है यार कि पीपल जस्ट ब्लेम देमसेल्फ, पीपल आर लाइक कि भाई मेरे सर्कमस्टेंसेस ऐसे हैं, दिस इज मी, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू गिव देम अ सॉल्यूशन कि भाई व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई दिस थिंग, अरे तुझे क्या पता है मैंने सब ट्राई किया, यू हैव टू टेक एक्सट्रीम ओनरशिप फॉर हु यू आर, वेयर यू आर एट, व्हाट योर सर्कमस्टेंसेस आर। इफ यू डोंट लाइक देम, फकिंग चेंज देम। इफ यू कैन चेंज देम, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट देम, ठीक है? बट नेवर ब्लेम एनीथिंग एल्स आउटसाइड ऑफ योर कंट्रोल। इफ इट इज इन योर कंट्रोल, फकिंग चेंज इट। इफ इट्स नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट एंड मूव अहेड इन लाइफ, ठीक है? एट द एंड द ओनली पर्सन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर योर सक्सेस इज you. No one else cares, no one else gives a shit. So if you are the only person who's responsible for your success, make something happen to get it. Okay? With that, I would end the video, and some great stuff coming up, guys. If you like this video, just click the like button. Okay? You can subscribe. Great stuff coming up, as I said, a lot of infill videos, a lot of crazy content. Okay? With that, I'll see you in the next one.